playing games, but have you ever thought of creating one? Whether you're a gamer, an artist, or an animator, this is where you bring your ideas to life. B.Sc, Animation, VFX, and Gaming at Chandigarh University. The program is designed as per global industry requirements, where you can choose from specialized domains. It offers hands-on learning through real-world projects, industry-led workshops, consultancy opportunities, and an innovative curriculum with the latest tools, software, VR, and AR integration. Learn from industry experts while working in collaborative state-of-the-art studios. Strong industry partnerships open doors to internships, live projects, and placements with prestigious companies. International exposure through academic tie-ups and industry collaborations prepares you for the global animation, VFX, and gaming industry. Don't just watch the magic, create it.